I expected nothing and I'm still disappointed. Boring, if anything. It's boring what EPLs or John Perry's or whatever these are. Smoke-free workplace. Oh, what are these? EPL 27,000s maybe? Oh, this is a new mod, I can tell. Can't tell what these are originally. Maybe going 7,000s? Who knows? Or maybe...
Level 5.
Those door weights allowed.
Level 5 going down.
11:56 kilograms, 17 persons. Oh, cool, cancel. Interesting walls.
Level
Solid.
E2 going up.
Any textures original down here? Nope. Can you get the other towers from down here maybe? Building 2, 40 to 52 McDougall Street.